Stop settling for outdated laundry tech. In 2026, the best washing machines are smarter, faster, and more efficient than ever. I'm counting down the 5 best washing machines of 2026 to help you find the perfect match for your home. Before we start, please like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe to Top Home Finds to support the channel. Let's dive into our top picks. First up is the Electrolux 700 series. Here are the 4 primary advantages of the Electrolux 700 series washing machine. Advanced steam care technology. This system finishes every wash with a gentle puff of steam to reduce wrinkles by up to 30%, significantly cutting down on ironing time while refreshing fabrics without a full wash cycle. Precision AI sensor wash. Utilizing intelligent sensors, the machine automatically detects soil levels and fabric types to adjust the cycle duration and water usage, ensuring a deep clean while preventing overwashing and fiber wear. Ultra-mix detergent efficiency. Before reaching the drum, detergents and softeners are thoroughly pre-mixed with water. This ensures that cleaning agents are fully activated, even in cold water, preventing visible residue on dark clothes. Eco-inverter performance. The high-efficiency motor provides a whisper-quiet operation and superior durability, backed by industry-leading energy ratings that significantly lower household utility costs. Check the description for the link to purchase these washing machines at the best price. Next up is the Maytag MHW3630 washing machine. Here are the 4 primary advantages of the Maytag MHW3630. Extra power button boosts stain-fighting performance by using a dual temperature wash cycle to target both organic and oil-based stains simultaneously. 12-hour fresh spin keeps clean clothes smelling fresh for up to 12 hours after the cycle ends by using intermittent tumbling and air circulation. Heavy-duty cycle, engineered specifically for bulky loads, providing high-torque agitation and optimized water levels to handle tough messes. Commercial-grade durability, built with premium components, including a robust direct drive motor and stainless steel drum to ensure long-term reliability. Check the description for the link to purchase these washing machines at the best price. Next up is the Whirlpool WFW 4720RW washing machine. Here are the 4 primary advantages of the Whirlpool WFW 4720. Tumble Fresh option keeps clean clothes fresh and wrinkle-free for up to 12 hours after the cycle ends by periodically tumbling the load. Steam Clean cycle uses a deep penetrating steam action to lift stubborn stains and sanitize fabrics without the need for harsh chemicals. Load and Go dispenser allows you to fill detergent once for up to 20 loads, automatically dispensing the precise amount needed for each cycle. Intuitive touch controls simplifies the laundry process by allowing the machine to suggest the best cycle combinations based on what you are washing and how you want it cleaned. Check the description for the link to purchase these washing machines. Next up is the LG WT8200C washing machine. Here are the 4 primary advantages of the LG WT8200C. Turbo Wash 3D technology uses powerful water jets and a multi-directional agitator to provide a deep, high-speed clean in under 30 minutes without sacrificing fabric care. Smart Learner with AI sensing automatically selects the optimal wash motions and cycle settings by analyzing load size and fabric softness through advanced internal sensors. Ultra-large 5.5 cubic feet capacity, designed to handle king-size comforters and massive laundry loads in a single cycle, significantly reducing the total time spent on laundry. ThinQ SM Smart integration allows for remote start, cycle monitoring, and proactive maintenance alerts directly through your smartphone or voice-activated home assistants. Check the description for the link to purchase these washing machines. And fifth, we have the Bosch 500 series washing machine. Here are the 4 primary advantages of the Bosch 500 series. AquaShield Leak Protection features a sophisticated sensor and valve system that monitors water levels to prevent leaks and overflows, protecting your home from water damage. Speed Perfect technology optimizes the wash cycle to deliver a thorough clean in up to 40% less time without compromising performance or fabric care. Eco Silence Drive utilizes a high-efficiency brushless motor that operates with extreme quietness and enhanced durability for a longer machine life. Pure Care Allergy Wash includes a specialized high-temperature cycle designed to eliminate common allergens and bacteria, making it ideal for those with sensitive skin. Check the description for the link to purchase these washing machines. That wraps up our guide to the 5 best washing machines in 2026. We hope this breakdown helps you choose the perfect upgrade for your home and makes laundry day a whole lot easier. Thank you so much for watching and for spending your time with us today. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Top Home Finds for more expert home tech reviews. We wish you and your family nothing but the very best. Happy shopping, and we will see you in the next video.